from the deck of Artemis. We are at Eagle Harbor on Cyprus. It's been a lovely night here on a mooring ball, and we are with our friends Amy and Scott. We are heading off to Friday Harbor. Today promises to be a nice, calm, flat motor day, if you believe the forecast. So right now, Kathy's getting the line sorted out from having left the mooring balls, and so we're gonna head on our way. It was a kind of a fun trip yesterday over here, fighting, I would say, a solid 3-knot current in my favorite channel, which is Guaymas. So yeah, we were pretty much walking pace out of the whole entire channel. But once we made the corner to go up to Cyprus, wow, we were doing like 8 knots. We were definitely on the Cyprus Express. So anyway, yeah, so looking forward to this trip. Looking forward to kind of introducing our friends to motor sailing. We'll check in a little bit. Awesome.
Leaving Cyprus. Beautiful. A beautiful day. Looking forward to our journey ahead. Awesome.
Well, we are heading up Cyprus, really breaking even in the speed department. We're definitely at that golden hour where the sun is still low in the horizon, and very nice coloration of the scenery. So there's definitely quite a few different areas at the north end of Cyprus to moor up. Some more protected than others. We were very well protected in Eagle Harbor, so we were happy to be there. So yeah, and I think out in the distance that must be one of the islands. Maybe that's Susha. I'm not 100% certain, but yeah. Anyway, very nice, awesome. We are sailing. Woo! So this will be the second or third time we're going to be sailing across the Rosario Strait. So yeah, very nice. Awesome. We're having a nice leisurely sail across the Rosario Strait. About 10 knots of true winds, 4.5 feet over water, and about 5.5 feet over ground. So yeah, beautiful way to start the day. So we'll see if we get any more sailing. And I suspect we're gonna kind of cross over through the pass and it's gonna die down a little bit. But hey, I could be pleasantly surprised. I hope we are. Reached the pass, which is P9 Pass, and the wind died, so sails are up, at least the head sail. We'll see what happens. Didn't necessarily want to sail through the pass. I'm not sure what the currents look like, so but yeah, had a very nice little quick little sail though. That was pretty awesome.
We have Blakely Island to our port, and then to my starboard we have Obstruction Island.
We are having quite a sporty sail across the east sound. Sustaining winds about 17-18 knots. Running up, we can see a wind line ahead of us, pretty turbulent. winds are behind us. That was pretty crazy. We were seeing like 18 knots of wind. Artemis is almost going 6 knots under sail, so pretty impressive. And we went from that to 2 knots of wind, as expected. So now we're heading down Thatcher Pass to head over to Friday Harbor. So yeah, boy, what a great morning of sailing. Pretty freaking awesome. So, awesome. Well, we are halfway down Thatcher Pass on our way to Friday Harbor. As predicted, wind pretty calm. It looks like we could have sailed there for a couple of minutes, but the wind line ahead of us was so obvious. It just wasn't worth it. So should be in Friday Harbor, maybe in an hour or so. It all depends what kind of currents we get when we kind of make our turn. Right now we're in a little bit of an ebb, which is helping us down Thatcher, but it's going to hinder us going up to Friday. So anyway, it's still a beautiful day, having a good time. Our friends got to experience quite a bit of sporty sailing, I would have to say. So they can check that off their list. So yeah, anyway, good times for all. Awesome. We made it to San Juan Channel. Not too bad, about a knot against us. To be expected. So right now we are about a couple of miles away before we hit our destination. So yeah, pretty awesome. And we made it to Friday Harbor. We actually have a flip for tonight, which is awesome.
Yeah.
So looking forward to a nice day out there. Good deal.
We can go shopping.
I like that. Shopping, a nice lunch. Pretty freaking awesome.
Shopping, lunch.
This boating life ain't too bad.
It's not, is it?
This video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.